Alright, so I'm here with a video for another shoe try on. And these, oh, the shadow. I know my shadow, probably. Okay. But that is Reiss, I assume. I don't know. I hope I'm saying that right. Okay. And I bought these from Nordstrom rack. Whew. In the grass. I don't want these ants getting on my dress. Okay, now this pair. I saw these shoes. Oh, and I paid. You see the retail says. Let's see, get that $345. I paid $130, $139, which is very expensive for me, spending that kind of money. But you know, I keep my things for a very, very long time. I keep them for years. I should show you my dress so you can see what I'm talking about. I bought this dress that I'm wearing. Let me see if I can adjust it. I bought this dress that I'm wearing when Victoria's Secret used to sell clothes. And I'm not talking about their pink clothing line. I'm talking about regular clothes that you can wear out, that you can wear to work. You know, back when they used to sell clothes. And I've had this dress that long. So I'm going to show it to you once I put the shoes on. Oh, I forgot to show you the box. Okay, so this is, it has a duster bag that came with it. Okay. And these shoes are so gorgeous. At least they were online when I saw them, which prompted me to buy them and spend that kind of money on it. Oh my God. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that shoe. Look at that shoe. It's so pretty. So pretty. So pretty. And it's like a satin material. Okay, so I'm going to try that on. And I just hope they work out. For one, because I need a pink pair. And all the pink pairs that I bought have been a dud. And for two, because they're so pretty and I like them so much. So I hope they work out. Okay, so let me try them on. Whew, and I'm sweating. Okay. I'm gonna pause because it's gonna take a while and I want to be in the shade. So let me take all these wrappings out and I'll come back. Okay, so this is what the shoe looks like after taking the wrapping out. Let's see. It has that leather insole with the double stitching. It looks so pretty. Looks so pretty. I hope it works. Okay, so I'm going to try it on. Okay. And these are a size 9. Let me know if I'm saying the name correct. Is it Reiss? Reiss? Write it in the comments and you know, write it out how it's pronounced. Okay. Oh, that's so pretty. That's so pretty. All right, here we go. Okay. All right, and so far so good. I'm not feeling any tension on my toes, so that's good. Of course, the ultimate test will be once I stand up and walk in them. Okay. All right, here we go. Okay, so there's the shoe. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Okay, let's stand up. Let's stand up. So far, so good. And I like that stiletto. Like that chrome stiletto. Okay, come on. Here we go. Okay. Oh, doesn't that always happen? Oh, you can see that bruise. That's from me working out. Yeah, and I tend to bruise easily, so. Okay. Let's walk. All right, let me do this one over because looks coming loose. Now I could bear it. Let's see. Feeling the tension across my toes. It's not bad, but you know, you can't help but notice it. You can't help but feel it. Whew, I don't know. They are tight. I seriously am wondering if I'm a wide. Do you gain weight in your feet when you gain weight everywhere else? That's a serious question. If anybody knows that, do you gain weight in your feet? Because maybe I'm a wide now, whereas before I was a medium, a normal width. Because that would really make sense. That would really explain why these shoes haven't been working out for me. So I'm supposed to be wearing a wide. Oh, but that's so pretty, but I don't think I can keep them. They hurt me across the toes. They hurt me across here. And to me, $140 is too much to be keeping some shoes that I can't wear. Oh, let me show you the dress. All right, so this is the dress that I'm talking about. Let me walk. To our home. Alright, so this is the dress. And I'm saying, you know, I don't really beat myself up when I spend too much money because I keep my stuff for years. I've had this dress at least 10 years. I'm sure longer. I've had this dress a long time. And it's still good, but I can barely fit it in anymore because of the weight gain. But that's another story on a different channel, Slim Girl, Thick Girl. Follow me on there if you are into health and about weight and, you know, living a healthy lifestyle. Slim Girl, Thick Girl. Okay. But as far as these shoes go, I'm going to have to return them. So sad to say. So sad to say. Okay. Well, I really appreciate you tuning in for another shoe try on. I am so sad, so disappointed. But I will leave the link in the description. Oh no. These are sold out. I looked them up the other day. Let me double check. I think these are sold out. Let me double check. If they are still available, I will link it in the description. All right, well, thanks for joining me, and leave a thumbs up and comment. I love to read your comments. Share with a friend and subscribe if you haven't, if you'd like to see more of these videos. Thank you. Bye.